Hello friends, welcome back to my garden. Today I will be sharing with you some of the beautiful plants which have the beautiful leaves and color our gardens. They add beautiful colors and also decor to our gardens. Even if you keep them indoors or outdoors, these plants add beautiful decoration to our garden. So let's see what are the plants that you can add and make it very colorful. When talking about colorful leafy plants, we love this beautiful umbrella plant. Now I have this my umbrella plant in my entrance and it is so colorful and beautiful variegation. So this colorful plant I love having. This is a low maintenance plant and also one of the permanent plants. You can bring a small plant or a stem. You can propagate it easily in water or else put it directly in soil. This plant prefers the semi-shade. You will have to keep it in an area where it gets the partial sunlight, and also this is a wonderful indoor plant. So this beautiful variegation I love having in my garden because it adds colors to my garden. Next most beautiful plants are these various types of Dracaenas. So add them to your garden. A small plant will do and they are low maintenance. When you add a small stem, they grow without even fertilizer. So this is a beautiful colorful plant. It's such a wonderful leafy plant to your garden. This also gives beautiful attractive look. Either you keep it indoors or outdoors. So such a beautiful leafy plants for your garden. This is Aurelia plant which adds beauty to your garden. They are in various variegation colors. See this type, and I really love the color of this plant. This is Pandanus plant. Definitely adds colors because they are in yellow and green variegation. Look at this beautiful plant. When talking about beautiful variegation plants, this is another beautiful variety which I have in my home garden, and this particular plant adds beauty and also decor to your garden. It gives such a decorative look because when you keep it among the other plants, looks absolutely beautiful. So this is another beautiful plant which you can grow from a single stem. Keep it in an area where it gets a partial sunlight. There are two beautiful plants that without them the garden is incomplete. And also as gardeners we all have this beautiful plant, that is Manipotos. There are various types of Manipotos which we love growing in our gardens because they are absolutely easy growing and permanent, and the other reason is low maintenance. So as a beginner gardener everybody can grow this plant Manipotos. So this is a beautiful variegated plant which comes in different colors and various types. So this particular plant you can grow without any trouble, and also this plant is a beautiful colorful plant to your collection because this definitely adds beauty and also such a decorative plant. You can make beautiful topiary, and with the help of a pole you can grow this plant also, and also this fit into any planter as well. So this is a beautiful plant to add in your garden collection. The next beauty is lucky bamboo. Without this plant also your garden is incomplete. This is a type of Dracaena which you can grow with a single stem. An easy to grow plant. Grow it in soil or water. Propagation is also really very easy by stem cuttings. So this is another beautiful plant which you can add colors to your garden. So have this beautiful plant too. Easy growing and low maintenance, and one of the permanent plants. Among the other beautiful decorative plants, these are the Glenima plants. There are many varieties. So this is lipstick Glenima. You can grow them very easily, and these are such beautiful indoor plants. If you keep them in your garden, they will sure to give you a lot of attraction. So these are must-have plants because they are very easy to grow and multiply. Among the other plants, spider plants are also very beautiful and decorative plants. They grow by spiderets, and you can easily grow them in water and in soil both. Easy to propagate and also low maintenance. So these are beautiful decorative plants for your garden. Syngonium plant. There are many varieties of Syngonium. This is pink Syngonium and this is the normal Syngonium. So there are many varieties of this plant, and this variegation also so beautiful. And I have this dwarf Syngonium as well. So these plants are so beautiful and add attraction to your garden. Either you keep them indoors or outdoors. So these plants are easy to grow. Keep them in the semi-shade and add them to your garden to add colors. So these are beautiful, wonderful plants and must have in your collection of plants. So today I have covered about the decorative plants for your garden. So I hope you find this video very useful. So if you have, give it a big like and don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Thank you.